I found out that my next door neighbor was celebrating a milestone birthday the same day, so I decided to create a card for him. I rummaged around in my craft supplies and found the supplies I needed to create this easy, colorful card in a hurry. First, I die-cut letters to spell happy birthday in a variety of colors. I glued the letters to the card face using the liquid fusion adhesive. Using the cake die cutter from the Stamp and Cut set, I die cut the birthday cake, then stamped the cake image on it using the lavender ink pad. I applied the bling stickers to the cake image using tweezers. To complete my easy birthday card, I glue the decorated cake to the card face. For this and other creative ideas, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.